Hello everyone and welcome to our Tech Tuesday tutorials number 153. Today we're going to highlight the new document approval system in Google Drive. So there is now a way to get document approvals in Google Drive. There's three ways to get this done. One, you can go to the Drive file list. You just right click on a file, go to Approvals, and choose New Request. The other way is from the preview window for files that are not in Google format, like PDFs and things like that. In the top right hand corner, click on the kebab and the Approvals and then New Request. A third way is from inside a document that you have open already. Go to File and Approvals and New Request. Regardless of how you request an approval, it will open this window to enter the details. Note that everyone you add will have to approve the request for it to be completed. You can enter the approver's email address, you can put a message if you want, a due date, which is optional. Also optional is the ability to allow approvers to edit the file. Approvers who don't normally have edit access won't be able to make changes during the approval process. This setting will give them editing rights once you request approval. By default, the files undergoing approval remain unlocked. All editors are able to edit, comment, or make suggestions on the file. However, once an edit is made, all reviewers must approve the new changes to make sure the correct content is reviewed. Users can lock a document to make sure reviewers can't change a file while it undergoes approval. Edits, comments, and suggestions can't be added when you have a locked document. After making selections, click Send Request. If one or more of the approvers don't currently have access to the file, it's going to ask you to give them access based on whether you chose to let them edit or not. If you didn't allow editing, the default access level will be comment. Anyways, approvers get an email with a blue open button that opens up the document. If it's a Google Slides, Doc, or Sheets file, it's going to open it directly and you'll see a banner at the top of the window with approve and reject buttons. You can also open the sidebar by clicking on View Details. If it's a PDF or another file, it's going to open a preview window with the approval sidebar on the right. Either way, the sidebar will let you see who's needing to approve as well as allow you to view the activity and make comments. Each comment or action will send emails to all approvers and the document owner, keeping them in the loop. If you're seeking the request, you have the option to click the kebab menu and cancel the request. Also, if you're not the right person to approve a document, you can actually pull down the menu next to your name and change the approver. Just put in the new email address and any comments to kind of clarify for them if needed. The document owner can also do this. If anyone rejects the approval, the process stops and the emails are all sent out saying that someone's rejected it. Opening the approval sidebar again shows an option to make a new request, as well as showing a history via the View button. An important thing to note is that you can only view previous approvals for docs, sheets, and slide files. If you ever want to find the files that need your approval, perhaps you're coming back a week later or whatever else, you can easily find them with a specialized search. Go into Google Drive, click the search box at the top, click the down arrow on the right hand side, then next to Approval, select Waiting My Approval or Requested by Me, then click Search. So I hope you all enjoyed this video and I hope you found it useful, and if you did, go ahead and click that like button. Heck, why not support us and use that subscribe button. Click the bell icon to receive email notifications. Leave a comment or an idea for a Tech Tuesday video below. Share this video with your friends, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.